Hi guys, Namaskar. I would like to share my observation of the market in 2007 and 2020. So let's see how market behaved or how the top was made in 2007 and again how the top was made in 2020. Both were in the month of Feb. Let's see how things panned out. Before starting that, I'll just like to add a disclaimer. While due care has been taken in preparing the above analysis, no responsibility can be or is assumed for any consequences resulting out of acting on it. The video document is only for educational purpose and not for any investment advice or recommendation. Please consult your financial advisor before acting on this. Author does not take any responsibility for that. So let's see the monthly candle or monthly chart of 2007. So here each candle shows a monthly negative or positive closing for Nifty. So this is for in 2004. This this is 1 month. This one candle suggests 1 month. So we are looking at how things panned out in 2007. So this is Feb. This candle, this big red candle, is of Feb 2007. The market corrected sharply in 2007, in Feb of 2007, then tried to bottom out in initial few days of March, and then again rallied to all-time high and made a euphoric high of 6360 in end of 2007 or initial few days of 2008 where the market topped out. So this big candle is of Jan 2008. So market we saw a violent correction in Feb of 2007. Market bottomed out and then again it rallied. So let's see how things moved into 2020. This is 2020 market. We were going nowhere, and this is of Jan. This candle is of Jan 2020. We saw some correction because of the budget. They were already news. 2020 started with a American attack on a general of Iran. So markets were a bit skittish in early part of 2020. The correction start. This is a big candle, and this is even a big candle. This is much more bigger candle compared to all the previous candles. So Feb saw a correction in the market. Again, like in 2007, the correction in 2020 started in Feb. This time it was in second week of Feb. In 2007, in the month of March, the selling was almost absorbed, but it was very ugly because of all the news flow that we had in March of 2020, lockdown, COVID, and you guys know everything. So let's see how things were in 2007, and let's compare both the years. In Nifty 2007, first week of Feb 2007, Nifty was at 4245. Nifty was at 4245, which was again an all-time high, and from 2000 Feb of 2007, by almost initial few days of March, Nifty was at 3674, which is an almost a correction of 13.5% in a span of 4 weeks. In 2020, correction started in second week of Feb at 12,246. In Feb, the low was 11,175, which is almost a correction of 8.75% in a span of 3 weeks. But in 2020, the selling continued even in March of 2020. By fourth week of March, Nifty was at 7511, which is a correction of 30.6% in a span of 7 weeks. That was brutal. So still people, are not able to come out of this thing. Still everybody senses that market girega, kya hoga. Nobody is able to see anything bullish right now. But theek hai, let's see. So in 2007, markets bottomed in first week of March, and in 2020, markets bottomed in mid and end of March. So here it was first week of March in 2007, and in 2020 it was mid or end of March, almost end of March, and we started to close positive from the month of April, and in Feb of 2007 we in fact closed marginally positive for the month of March. So I'll just show you that in next slide. This is 2007. This is a candle, a red big monthly candle in 2007 for the month of Feb. This is of March, so it was positive. March, April, May, June, July. So we had 5 months of positive in 2007. Now let's see how 2020 panned out. This big sell-off is of March 2020. This is April, May, June, July, August. Mind you, this is a bit flattish candle. So we had 5 continuous positive of or a flat month in 2020. Again, just if you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 candles, we saw a bit negative candle in 2020, similar to 2007. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bit negative candle in 2007. So in 2007 and in 2020, market slowly started to move up for the next 5 months. So either the indices closed flat or they were big positive. From the bottom in March 2007 and again March in 2020. So since market bottom in first week of March in 2007 and in 2020 it bottomed out in last week of March. 2020 is lagging 2007 approximately by a month. So we had March, April, May, June, July positive. March, April, May, June, July positive in 2007, and 2020 the positive first 5 months were from April to August. In 2007 and 20 the monthly candle was negative after 5 months. We just saw after 5 months there was a bit profit booking or a marginally negative candle. In 2007 August was negative month, and in 2020 September was negative month. So as I repeated just before, as I explained in the previous slide, 2020 is lagging 2007 by a month. In 2007 September and October's monthly candles saw very big rise. Market were highly bullish in September and October. In 2020 October and November saw a big rise. September, October, November, we are lagging by 1 month. So let's see how November panned out in 2007 and how December may pan out. I repeat, may pan out in 2020. 2007. So in 2007 November saw a slight negative month, and December closing again was at all-time high. If a very big if, since past 6-7 months have been exactly like 2007, if we were to repeat similar things in 2020, then December month may see a marginally negative or flat month. So we may see some correction going ahead for the next 2 weeks. This is again a big if. This is just a game of probability. It may or may not happen. So keep your stop losses accordingly. So if at all we see a correction in next 2 weeks or next 3 weeks, let's say till Jan first week, then, and if we again see an all-time high in the market, then that move will suck in all the players. Everybody would be bullish. There's no negativity in the market. We are again moving to all-time high, and then we'll see then we should see in the month of Jan 2020 for any signs of distribution. Okay, we should see whether the stronger hands are exiting the market or not. That should be clear by Jan 2021 or first week of Feb 2021. So if at all we were to repeat a scenario that happened in 2007, then we may see some correction, and Nifty may close between 12,800-900 in December 2020. I will be extremely, if this things pan, if we do see a correction, which I don't know may happen or not happen in next 2 weeks, which currently looks unlikely, but if at all the correction happens and we see again an all-time high in the month of Jan, then I will be extremely cautious going into Feb of 2020. So just few closing remarks. Most of the individuals commit lot of money, big money, at a wrong time or in bull markets. So you'll tend to see inflows increasing the mutual fund inflows, the PMS inflows, the AIF inflows increasing at the top of the bull market or in the bull market. Individual investors committing a lot of money, building their portfolio, everything will be hunky-dory for next 4-5 years and almost at the top. I mean, it's difficult to say right now whether we are at the top, we are at the start, we are at the mid of bull market, but let's keep this scenario in mind. So the idea of this video is to have an alternative thought of how the market may pan out. Everything currently in media, on Twitter, everything is positive, but also like let's give a thought. If things doesn't pan out, then what? So what I explained in the video, it may or may not pan out. Let's see how December 2020 and Jan 2021 pans out. If at all, again as I said, if at all we see a negative closing or flat closing for the month of December and a euphoric rise in Jan of 2020, then I look for some signs of distribution in Jan 2021 or Feb 2021. So probably by next week or December month end, I'll put an analysis how to watch out for signs of distribution. Till then, have a nice weekend. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.